So we're gonna go grocery shopping, but right now we're here at the Chinese store. I think it's called the Way One. I'm here with Frank. I'm gonna get my stuff from Kroger, unless there's something sweet here. I'm gonna do the same challenge.
I am.
Yes, a budget weekly thing.
Yeah. Oh boy, what did I just agree to?
I absolutely love bananas. Do you want to split the broccoli? Because it's a lot of broccoli.
Yeah, let's split it.
Frank's like completely out, but I'm not. Every week I'll get some stuff, and so it's kind of like a supplement. You can like move closer. Oh my god, this thing's completely staged. I'm absolutely obsessed with this kind of milk. You can ask Frank, I drink an entire bottle a day if I don't have any limitations for myself. Nice. Definitely for the burgers. Love these. I typically get 2 of these, but I don't get the gluten-free version because it's like $1 extra. But they're out of it. Gotta get the pasta. I already have sauce though. Absolutely love beans. Oh my god. I don't think I actually need this for the smoothies. Yes.
Yeah, maybe I should do something. I'm gonna. That's the one I'm getting. I feel like I don't need it.
I don't know, if you don't need it, I wouldn't get it.
Yeah.
Because then just too much.
Yeah.
They don't have the normal kind, but normal kind is my favorite and it's vegan. I love it. What? It's like a video.
Piece of water.
I like kind of document my life. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You put it in your computer?
It's kind of like fun to like look back on like what I did in college.
Well, that sounds like fun.
Yeah. So this is what I already had. A ton of chickpeas. I had this pasta, chia seeds, oats, creamy peanut butter. Then it's coconut milk. My mom gave me this, but I have no idea what to do with these. 3 dates. This is like the remainder of my wheat bread. More chickpeas in the back over there. Rice noodles, black bean spaghetti. I've never tried this. My mom gave me this. Some spaghetti that's running out. Tortilla, almond milk, half can refried beans, tofu, cheddar cheese right here. That's the good stuff. Salsa, maple syrup, Taco Bell mild sauce, veganese, barbecue sauce, ketchup. Frank and I did just go grocery shopping. We're eating out because Cam just got into Michigan. So we're all just celebrating. I'm the only one without